deep, relentless rushing of water. A sudden splash. The river rises, swallowing the forest floor in a catastrophic deluge.
For most, this is the end. For the fire ant, it is a launch sequence. We are in the Várzea, the flooded forest, where the Amazon River breathes, inhaling the land for months at a time.
Gurgling water. Distant thunder.
But this colony has no intention of fleeing. Captured in stunning macro detail, we see the intricate architecture of the weaver ant bridge, where mandibles lock onto the legs of their sisters, the sound of Velcro tearing, a textural metaphor for their grip.
They are not swimming. They are becoming the boat. A solid island, forged from living flesh.
Their exoskeletons are hydrophobic, trapping millions of tiny air bubbles between them. This plastron of air makes the raft unsinkable, even if pushed underwater.
Suspended within the living raft, the queen is kept completely dry in a meticulously crafted air pocket.
But the raft is dynamic. It heals itself.
This incredible cross-section reveals the fire ant's secret weapon, the living conveyor belt.
They are a liquid organism surviving on a liquid world. This adaptation has made Solenopsis one of the most successful invasive species on Earth.
The water does not drown them. It delivers them.
Fade out to the gentle lapping of water against the riverbank.